Hello, my name is Dr. Penny Sutcliffe, and I'm the Medical Officer of Health with Public Health Sudbury and Districts. Well, we've been through a lot over the last 4 months as it relates to COVID-19 and a number of changes as the science and our understanding of this virus has grown. And there's another change coming up this Wednesday on July 8th in our service area. I've issued instructions to the owners and operators of commercial establishments in our area to ensure they have a policy in place to stop people from entering the indoor parts of their establishment if those persons are not wearing a face covering. And by a face covering, it could be a mask, medical or non-medical, a bandana, a scarf, anything that covers your mouth and your nose. This is in addition to requirements that they have hand sanitizer at the entrances and exits of their establishment, that they have signage in place, and that all of their staff are also complying and knowledgeable of this policy. We have a number of tools in our toolbox for COVID-19, and so this is the latest tool that we are really trying to encourage and really enhance and enforce in our area. People may be asking, why now? Why are we introducing this right now, as we haven't had cases for some time? Well, we know that the virus is still circulating, and we know that people can spread the virus without having any symptoms at all. This is newer information. We've also seen in other parts of the province and other parts of the country that areas where they haven't had many cases for a while suddenly have outbreaks. I do not want to wait for that to happen. I want to prevent that from happening. And this is a simple measure that we can all take on to make sure that we are successful with that. We are truly in this together. Change is not easy. We really need to make sure that businesses do their part, the public health sector does their part, and the public does their part. So if you've been feeling awkward at all about wearing a face covering in public, or you're not really sure about what it is that public health is really asking you to do, let me be very clear. Please take with you face covering so that when you go into a store, a convenience store, a grocery store, the mall, a retail outlet, you can put on that face covering and know that you are doing your part to prevent the spread of COVID-19, and also doing your part to make sure that our very important local businesses are able to keep on opening, to not have to step back, to be able to go forward successfully together into stage 3 and beyond. Thank you very much. Stay well.